Welcome to Aqua Platycodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Here, we explore fascinating topics in a light-hearted and engaging way. Today, let's dive into the world of internet connectivity and uncover the story behind two groundbreaking technologies, Starlink and China's 5G emergency network. What makes these systems so different? And what do they tell us about the countries that built them? Have you ever wondered how different countries approach solving the same problem in completely different ways? Starlink, Elon Musk's satellite internet system, and China's 5G emergency network both aim to provide reliable internet, but their design philosophies couldn't be more different. These differences reflect not just technological choices, but also cultural perspectives. Starlink's goal is simple: bring the internet to anyone, anywhere. Imagine living in the middle of the desert, sailing on a remote ocean, or traveling across the countryside in your RV. With just a small satellite dish and a monthly subscription, Starlink lets you access the web almost anywhere on Earth. The key here is independence. Starlink's design prioritizes flexibility and global coverage. It doesn't need ground infrastructure or special teams to deploy. Individuals can take their satellite dish wherever they go and stay connected. This is perfect for America's scattered rural population and freedom-loving culture, where people value personal choice and mobility. Now let's look at China. Instead of focusing on individual users, China's 5G emergency network is built for groups and teams. Imagine a construction crew working on a massive project abroad, or a disaster response team setting up a command center in a remote area. China's solution? Deploy portable 5G base stations using drones or vehicles to blanket an entire area with high-speed internet. This approach focuses on efficiency and high performance for a defined area. It's not designed for individuals moving alone, but for coordinated teams working together. It aligns with China's cultural emphasis on collective effort and targeted problem solving. At its core, Starlink's design is about giving power to the individual. It's simple, mobile, and affordable for anyone. Meanwhile, China's 5G network is about optimizing for collective needs. It's powerful, efficient, but tailored to specific scenarios. Neither approach is right or wrong. They're just different ways of thinking. Starlink shines in flexibility and global reach, while China's 5G excels in targeted efficiency and high performance. Together, they show how technology reflects culture and priorities. So next time you hear about a new tech innovation, think about the philosophy behind it. What problem is it solving, and who is it built for? Sometimes the story behind the technology is just as fascinating as the technology itself. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon, where we uncover the fascinating stories behind today's technologies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging explorations. See you next time.